First, for EGH as an arc, we need to be able to see it. You can't go this way if you're going to go from E to G to H, because you'd cross H before you got to G. Therefore, this arc must be from here to G and ending at H. Well, that yellow arc is intercepted by this blue angle, this inscribed angle. And we know that the arc intercepted by an inscribed angle will be twice as big. Therefore, the measure of arc EGH is twice as big as the inscribed angle that intercepts it, which gives us 278 degrees. That's number 14. All right, onward to number 15. Well, that's asking for the measure of arc angle GFH, and angle GFH is this rotation right here. That is an inscribed angle, and it intercepts the arc that's 95.2 degrees. And again, we know that that arc measure is twice as big as the inscribed angle that intercepts it, or the inscribed angle times 2 is equal to the arc measure that it intercepts. So this would be equal to 95.2 divided by 2, which is 47.6 degrees. And that's how you do number 15 and 14. I hope that helped.